This is Steve Schiffman. I want to thank you very much for joining me today. I want to talk to you about something, about a particular workshop that I'm conducting on cold calling. Now, let me tell you about cold calling. A couple of years ago, everybody on the internet said cold calling is dead. They actually wrote that. Except then all of a sudden this pandemic hit and no one knew how to get appointments except by picking up the phone and calling. They didn't know what to say anymore about what the objections were when somebody said they're not interested or they've got it already or call me back. They didn't know what to say. They didn't know what to do. And so now there's an insurgence about recalling. Go ahead and cold call. I wrote a book a number of years ago, Cold Calling Techniques that really work. This book is selling now simply because more people than ever have to cold call in order to get appointments. You're in sales, you know that. So what are you going to do? You're going to sit back and let the internet get you appointments? You know that doesn't really work. You found out during this last year and a half, you found out that if you didn't pick up the phone, nothing was going to happen. But here was the problem. When you did call companies, you didn't know what to say, did you? When somebody said to you, look, I'm busy or I'm not interested, you said, okay. The biggest mistake you can make is saying, okay, I got it. No, you can't say that. You need to understand what you need to say and how you need to say it in order to get the appointments that you need. Appointments give you the prospects, prospects give you the sales, and without any appointments, you don't have a chance of getting a new prospect. Now, I know many of you survived on your existing business, but that's not going to happen anymore. Right now, every single salesperson in the country is trying to get more business. And where do you think they're going to go? They're going to go to your companies, your customers. So I'm going to urge you to attend this workshop. That's free. Attend this workshop. Go to the website, sign up. It's free. Sign up. Come to me and I'll show you how to make the appointments. In fact, we have a consultant piece afterwards, so I can really help you. But I want you to urge you to do that. Cold calling is not dead, no matter what anybody tells you. And you know it because you live sales all the time. So you know what's happening out there. You know that if you're not able to pick up the phone and get appointments, you know what? You're not able to get sales. So I want you to stay with me. I want you to work with me and I'll help you. I'll help you get appointments. Again, the program is on cold calling techniques that really work. Look at the internet. It'll tell you what to do. It's free because I want you to learn how to get appointments. So this is Steve Schiffman. Thank you very much for joining me. As always, you humble me by your presence.